I'm Chris with Mobility Solutions and Affordable Medical USA.com. We like to show you unboxing videos and kind of tell you what we think about units. This is the iRide by Pride Mobility. There's a purpose for this scooter. It's not for everyone. So if you're looking for something lightweight, if you're looking for a unit, watch our videos. You know, just be careful what you buy, because might be lightweight, but this might not be safe for you to use. So we'll show you how to use this. I've seen it at trade shows. I've never really brought it in. I'm bringing it in because it does serve a purpose for some people. So what you do, it's going to be it's lightweight altogether. It's probably 85 pounds, somewhere in there. I might be wrong, so check the specs. But I just use a little box opener. Usually Pride sends this stuff very good packaged. I don't really have an issue with too much of Pride stuff. So you can get right into this. It's the ice blue. It comes in a lot of different colors. We'll probably have that on the thing. Green, orange, raspberry, black. This is the ice blue. So really simple on packaging. Your manual will have your serial number. This will be your charger. It's good to charge it up before you use it. We'll show you how to hook it up. It'll be packaged in the plastic, so just kind of pull this up. So the base, I think, is 32 pounds. So as you see, I'm picking it up with one hand, but it's about 32 pounds. I think it has the battery, so it might be a little bit heavier than that. And we'll just get it right out the box. This is still inside the box is the seat, so I'll pull that out in a minute. So you just want to loosen this, bring it up, tighten it back up, make sure it turns, make sure there's no damages. If there is, take pictures. If the box is damaged, please take a picture of that. Here's your battery. So I don't know if there's two batteries or one battery, but this is a little case. We'll mess with this later and look. That's where you would charge it up. I'm going to show you that. It gives you a warning to check it out or to charge it all the way. That's going to be your on and off switch. And it's going to tell you how to charge the battery right here. So a little handle, very lightweight, lithium ion, travel friendly battery, airline proof, or airline friendly. I'll give you some specs on it. But when you do get it done charged up, or you can see the cool part, you can leave this in your car. You can carry this inside your house and charge it. You don't have to take this inside your house. This can stay in your trunk. Take this inside and charge. It's probably 5 pounds, 6 pounds. Charge it up when you're ready to go. This is what you carry out. You know, get it out your car. You're just gonna hook it up like this. You know, you'll get it in here, and you'll just plug this right in. So see, it's color coded. And then just strap this down. You're done. So let me show you the seat. So now the seats seems to be pretty nice, but it's a very, very low back. So you gotta have core strength. Don't get this if you lean in and all this stuff. You gotta have core strength. This isn't something you're gonna wanna ride all day long. This is something you're gonna wanna ride. Say you travel and you have to park at the back in the parking lot, have a long walk, ride that to the front, take it on the airplane, ride through the airport, take it to your taxi or your Uber, go to where you're going through big conventions and stuff. This is what this would be for. It's not for someone that, you know, you need to be able to get up and down out of the scooter very easily. So you have hole adjustments. So wherever I want to put it, you put this there, put that cotter pin back in. And then you just put this cotter. So what's kind of cool, this is going to tighten it up. so it doesn't wiggle. If this was loose, it's gonna wiggle on you. You tighten this up. So when you go to fold this up, and we have little bags we can send you, we'll put that on there. So if you're gonna go take this somewhere, this would come right off, go into your trunk. If you need to make it 6 pounds lighter, whatever weight this is, just unplug that, pull that right out. Take this, loosen it, bring it down, tighten it back up. This will move on you, but these straps are here. I would imagine to strap it down to help with that. So I'll figure out how that goes. I think it goes like this. This is here for something, so I'll mess around with that. But that's what it's for. So this won't slide around on you. And this is what you pick up. See how that moves? I just don't want to keep this video going too long. It's the first time really doing it. This has to go. Like this. Okay, I see. So now, so we'll get this thing charged up. We'll get another video, show you how to use it, but I want to point out some stuff. This is the motor. And what people, it has to be the motor, I think, on it. Yeah. So what people don't realize is these will wear out, but this thing should go a long distance. These motors are very, very, very dependable. I have another unit called a Tri-Export that I tear it up to see how good it is. Never have a problem with these motors. This is a foot brake. So let me get the seat on real quick. So you don't have to take this cotter pin in or out unless you want it lower or higher. That comes there. 30 seconds, you're done. This is, we had it all turned on. This would be your speed, lights, different things you need to know. That's your throttle. So you throttle it like a motorcycle. Here's your brake. So
that must be the rear brake.
So that's a rear brake. This must be a front brake to stop. So you would sit like this. So if you don't have the core stable, you lean in, could be an issue. But this is how you'd ride it. This can come away, back. This is your brake. Here's also a brake down here at the foot. Pretty cool, a lot better. And this is how you lock it. This won't go in unless you pull this and push that in, and then you can get off of it like this. So let me run down real quick some specs real quick for you. It's a Pride iRide by Pride Mobility. This is an ice blue. Again, it comes in a mango, which is an orange, a lime, a raspberry, a black. Digital LCD display right here. Manual handbrake right here. Foot brake. So it's a free wheel. It's not gonna, there's no magnetic brake. It's not a locking. It's a brushless motor. It goes up to 3.7 miles per hour. The model number is the S25. 250 pound weight capacity. Ground clearance is very small. It's 1.3 inches. This isn't meant to be riding through your yard. It'll probably go through like nice cut park grass. It's not too soggy and wet. It's mostly for hard surfaces, like I said, going to casinos, cruises, traveling on an airplane, different things like that. It's not something you're going to want your mother or your father in all day long. Overall width is 19.25. So this could be used inside your house to get through some place because it is very narrow. But I wouldn't, again, suggest it to be in it all day. 33.5 inch turning radius, 38 inches in length. Seat to ground height is adjustable from 18 to 20. 6.5 inch solid tire on the front, 6.75 on the back. Here's the kicker. This is not bad. 10 miles at a 250 pound person, up to 12 miles at someone at 200, up to 200 pounds. It's not bad. Total weight with the batteries is 42 pounds. The total weight, the heaviest piece is 32. So what they're saying is all this together with the battery and the seat is 42 pounds. Without the seat, without the battery, it's 32 pounds. That's very manageable. That's about the same weight as a standard lightweight manual wheelchair. But it's awkward to pick up a manual wheelchair. This is a lot easier to pick up. It's a lot of places to grab it. You can go into a very, very small trunk, so it really doesn't matter what trunk size you have, it will fit in there. The seat is 10 pounds. Dimensions of the seat is 14 by 13. So that's 14 and a half. Depth's about 13 and a half. This back little clip back here is only 4 inches. So you need to be able to sit up properly. So 36 volt lithium battery. It's got a 2-year warranty on the frame, a 1 year on the drivetrain, a 1 year on the electronics, and only a 6 month on the battery, which I don't like that. But that's what it has, 6 months. I don't think these will be that expensive to buy, but make sure you check out the part page with the battery. Make sure you don't just buy this and set this in your closet, never use it. You want to try to maintain this battery a little bit if you do buy it. Airline friendly. It's pretty nice. It definitely serves a purpose. You know, the carry-on's nice. This is different. But if you have any questions, you give us a call at 803-926-2224. You can visit us online at affordablemedicalusa.com. The model number on this, again, is S25, and it's called the iRide 3-wheel. It's about Pride Mobility, and I'm Chris. Thank you. Have a great day.